Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you way back to 1974 and show you how to play the mega hit by Mott The Hoople. This is called Roll Away the Stone. I do hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. Now, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to play the riff that happens at the beginning and at various parts, various places during the song, and also we're going to be going through all the chords and the strumming pattern and everything you need to know. So stick around to the end. If you're ready, go grab a guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let me show you how that's done. So there's the intro and, well, the riff more. It's played at the beginning and at a couple of parts, a couple of places during the song. So first off, it's worth telling you that the song is tuned up half a step. So let me take you through that. So starting on the first string, we're going to tune that from E to F. Then the second string we're going to tune from B to C. The third string is going to go from G to G sharp. The fourth string from D to D sharp, the fifth string from A to A sharp, and then the low E is going to be from E to F. So let's take you through that cool riff. First off, we're going to be up on the 14th fret of the G string with our third finger. Okay, so we're in, well, yes, we're on the 14th fret of the G string, and then we're going to be on the 12th fret of the B string, going up to the 13th fret. So we got 14G, 12th fret on the B string, 13th fret on the B string, and then what we're going to do, we're going to slide up from the 10th fret to the 12th fret with our first finger. And then we start the whole process again. So we've got 14th G, then 12 to 13 on the B, then slide up, and then back to the beginning again. So it happens twice with the slide. So the section with the slide. So we do this twice. That's once. And then this is the third time. The third time it happens without sliding from 10 to 12. It just goes from the first finger to the third finger. Like that. So from the beginning, 14, 12, 13, slide, and then back to the beginning. So really slowly without stopping. Let me show you up to the camera. Right, here we go. And again. And then, if you get a chance, whenever you're in a note for a particular length of time, give it a little wobble. Gives it a bit of vibrato. Okay? So that's the riff. That's the riff. So let's go to the chords now. Let me take a little bit of this gain off to make it sound a bit cleaner. So let's go through the chords. So first off, we're going to be in a C chord. We're going to go down, 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 up, up, down, up. That very popular strum pattern. So here we go. So we're going to go from C to G to E7 to A minor. So let's take you through. So we've got C, G, so C, G, E7, A minor. Then what we do, we put our little finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and what that does, that gives us a G over A minor. And then F, Okay, let's take you through that again. So first off, C, 2, 3, 4. C, G, E7, A minor, G over A minor. So we've got down, down, A minor, then G over A minor, down, down, up, down, down, up, and then to F, C, G, 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 F, C, G, E7, then A minor, then G over A minor, then F, C, G. Okay, so they're the chords: C, G, E7, A minor, G over A minor. Let's take you through the chords up to the camera. We've got a G, a C. Then we're going to go to this G here. Then we're going to take this third finger off and switch to an E7. And then we're going to drop down to an A minor. Then we keep the A minor on, but we put the little finger on the third fret of the E string. And then we got F, up to C, and then to G, 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 F. Right now, what happens with that, that chord structure is played through twice. Now the only difference is the last bar where it goes from G to F. So let me demonstrate what happens. What happens first, it goes, the first time round goes 1 and 2 and 3. So G, 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 F, or you can do the bar chord of F. G, 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 F, or, sorry, the second time round, it goes G, 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 F, F, before it goes into the chorus. So let's take you through the whole verse and I'll show you how them two parts slot in. So we've got C, G, E7, then A minor, then G over A minor, then F, C, and then G, 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 F, C, G, E7, A minor, then G over A minor, then F, then C, G, 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 F, F. That second time. Okay, we're going to move into the chorus now, which is fairly straightforward. We've got won't you see, and then what he does a little step down. All he does is Ian Hunter brings the second finger up, so he takes that third finger from the C chord off and he brings the second finger up to the second fret of the A string. So we've got won't you see, and step down, and F and G, then again C and step down, and F and G, and C and step down, and F and G, and then it goes to the riff again, you know, the. But if you want to play the chords that's happening behind the riff, you're looking for this. You want to go for an A minor, bow, bow, then that G over A minor again. So we've got A minor, then the bow, then to F, then to E, then A minor, then to step down, then F. Okay, and then we're back to the verse again, which is C, G, E7, then A minor, then G over A minor, then F, then C, and then G, 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 C, G, E7, then A minor, then G, then F, C, then G, 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 F, F. Then we've got the chorus, C and step down, and F and G, G, C and step down, and F and G, G, C and step down, and F and G, G, G. So that's the chorus. Now there's a really curveball. Here comes the curveball. There's a rockabilly party on Saturday night. What we want to do there, we've got to move up for a bar chord here, which is maybe a bit of a pain for some of you people that are not into bar chords, but all the same, we got D sharp. Now what we're going to do for a D sharp is we're going to be barring the 6th fret, and we're going to be barring strings 4, 3, 2, 1. We're not actually going to be playing the first string, but we're going to be barring them, but stop short of the first string. So here we go. So there's a so down, up. So it's a bit of a mute. Down, up, down, stop, up, down, stop, up. So we've got that feel going. Bunch up, and down, stop, up. So there's a rockabilly party on sound. Then we got to G sharp, which is 4th fret bar chord, E bass bar chord. Let me show you that up at the screen. So that's barring all 6 on the 4th. Then we're going to be on the G string, 5th fret. Then we're going to be on the 6th fret of the A string and the 6th fret of the D string. That's going to give us our G sharp. Down, up, stop, down, up, down, stop, up, down, stop, up. So that's our strum pattern for this new rockabilly party on a Saturday night bit. So let's take you through that. We've got D sharp, 2, 3. There's a rockabilly party on Saturday night. G sharp. Gonna bring your records. I will do. So we're back to the D sharp. Then it does something really crazy. Goes to what's known as a G add 11. So we're going to go from G add 11, which is a G, but we're going to put our finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Down, 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 down. And then take it off for a G. G, 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 G. On, off, off. And then we go back to the chorus. So let's take you through that bridge one more time. So we got D sharp first. Down, up, down, stop, up. Then G sharp, up. Down, stop, up, then back to D sharp, up. G add 11. Won't you roll away the snow? F to G and C, step down, and F, G and C, step down, and F and G and. So there we have it, Mott The Hoople, Roll Away the Stone. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below. Always good to hear from you. And if you liked today's video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. If you've got any suggestions for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in another video, again, let me know down in the comment section below. So until we meet again, guys, take great care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.